you should be able to teach whether it is a girl or a boy. Whoever is having the entrepreneur type of a personality, everybody cannot become an entrepreneur. A person who likes comfort zone, he would like to earn his salary by going to office in the morning at 9 and come back at 5:30. Such kind of people are meant for doing a job. So they are not willing to take risk. They are not willing to put hardships. They are not willing to take risk. So don't disturb them. They are also useful to the society. They are also doing excellent job for the country. So let them take that side. Everybody cannot be trained. Those people who are interested in starting their business sincerely identify such people and give them training. Otherwise, people will attend free of cost any training. You give any training, they will come and time pass and they go away. So select the people who are sincerely interested, and many places where I have given training to people who are rural and there is no employment opportunity, because in forest villages, in small villages, rural villages, there is no industry, there is no big businesses. So either they have to depend on agriculture or they have to depend once in a while some kind of government contracts and all that. Otherwise they don't have any employment. They also live, they also know. They are not waiting for somebody to come from the government side, or somebody has to come from big industrial people. They try to show that they are doing a lot of social objective works and all that. Their social responsibility. Nowadays I see a lot of people come and do a lot of things that is for the photo op, and I don't know exactly whether they are monitoring. Whatever they have done, it has to be followed up. It has to be seen to it that whatever they have given training, whatever they have invested their time, it should result into something. If otherwise, it will be a waste of time. So one has to be very, very clear. You have to teach each and everything to any entrepreneur, whether it's a girl or a boy. But we have to be very smart in selecting the product or processes or services, whatever you are teaching to them. It should help them to, if the boy is there, he can explore. If the boy is there, he can manufacture in his home, and he can take his product to some distance and sell it and come back. And he can go and collect his money and come back. In the case of a girl, it should be different. One should identify product or service which are suitable in her own area, in her own village, in her own place, where, because husband will be going to work, the woman will start doing this, and if the market is not there for the produce, whatever she is making, it is again catch-21 situation. Let's not do something, because whatever you know, you don't go and teach them. You should be able to teach what is required. You should be able to teach what is required for them. They should be able to survive on whatever you are thinking to teach them. If you know all these things, then you should go and make a study of the place, go and make the study of the people, and select the best people and give them training. After the training, ensure that you have to give them each and every step by step. You have to make them to how to select the product, how to name the product, how to manufacture the product, how to get the loan, how to distribute the product. Each and everything you have to teach them. Otherwise, simply giving them loan, it is not going to serve the purpose. So if at all we are able to do this, we can certainly get the success in our approach. I am sure I can make a smart engineering graduates or MBA graduate to perform excellently well in their company. That is one of my specialty. I can teach people, young boys who come to me, I will make them top performers, provided they are interested, otherwise no. Because every day they want to jump over company to company. They have the smart talker, the smart speaker, the smart thinkers. Such people I cannot teach. Every day they want to change the company. They are not sincere to anything. If you are successful in one company, you will be certainly successful in the next company. But you are just changing train to train, ship to ship, plane to plane. You keep doing it, you will not gather any weight on you. So wherever you are working, whichever company has given you opportunity, you have to work with them with certain amount of period and give them returns. That is the purpose. That kind of training I can give it to smart students who want to start their career in marketing or any field. And I can also give training to the people who are interested to start their business. That means trading. What kind of product to be chosen, how it has to be budgeted, how it has to be targeted, and how it has to be taken, and how to project the sales to make the profit. Ultimately, if you do not earn the profit, that business will collapse because you lose interest. So, for marketing people who wanted to start trading, I can teach them the trading business. I can also teach the people how to manufacture products and how to launch them into the market and be successful without facing any problem whatsoever from the competition. I have done it successfully in many places, and I can do it anywhere in India or anywhere in the, whether it is a rural or it is a urban, any place we can do it. So this is what my strong points. I have done it. It's not that I have not done it. I have done it, and people are very successful who are being groomed by me in their careers. People who are very successful, whoever have started their units with my support system. Even lastly, I have started some people to start their resorts, because I am not a man from hotel or this thing, which was very difficult for me, but I taught people how to start their resorts also. So this is what I can do for the people. Hope everybody liked my blah blah blah, or you can call it my telling. I am not telling, I have done it. So maybe it may be useful to some people who heard my talk today. Thank you very much.